Alright guys, welcome to the channel and welcome back if you're already a subscriber. Hello Jordy, I'll focus. And hello to everybody in the Carve Fusion community. So today in the wee video I'm planning on making these little houses. I'm going to show you how you can make these wee houses just simply out of a stick. I've just got this old stick at the beach today. I'm going to take it out of this holder. I have the holder here for cutting it. You see at the top I've already got it cut. It's cut in the same angle as this, and I'm going to show you how to make this little house just out of a random stick. So keep her moving. Alright folks, so we're going to start. I'll show you how we make this little house. And it's basically 2 cuts with a Kutzall bar. If you have a Kutzall bar 1/8, it's gonna literally 2 cuts. We cut in here to put the window in, and then we cut in here to do the door, and then we'll cut the frame in using it's a wee nail. I call it a nail cutting bar. This wee diamond tip bar, and it looks like a nail. It's actually round at the top, very thin. That's very good for putting in the wee bricks on the door frame and stuff. So that's what we're at today here. So like I say, we've got this wee bit. You see I already cut the shape of the roof on the top. So we basically just have to put 2 windows into it. Put a triangle here. It doesn't have to be perfect, remember, just a wee fantasy house like. So put the window there, say, and put the door here. So there we go. So we're only cutting that bit and that bit. 2 cuts for now guys. So we'll do these 2 cuts here and see how we're going. Okay guys. Bring it up in here. So you can see there now, I've got the wee top window done and where the door's going to be. And I recommend using the full stick. It's easier than if you try and hold a wee bit of wood like this and you're trying to cut them in with a Dremel. Yes, it can be done, but it's still very dodgy for everywhere where you would be holding it. So I recommend keeping the full stick longer and work on the top, and then when you're done down to here, all you gotta do is get your saw and just cut it off level with the bottom of the door. Just a nice straight cut there, and then you'll end up with your wee house here. But I'll show you that in a minute. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change this bar over to a diamond tip and just clean up inside these 2 cuts. So I'll use a diamond tip that's the same shape as the Kutzall bar. I'll have this one. So put her in. Use this here if you've got big hands. It's a lot easier. Hey Jordy. So here we go guys. Okay now, so we've cleaned that up. So all you gotta do now, you can see this, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4. So you go from the top of the window, just a wee straight line. Doesn't have to be perfect. Under the window. In fact, I'll draw the window on first. I'll draw the frame on. So I can cut around this now and I'll show you with a wee diamond. And then do one above the door, I'll put the door frame on. Okay. And just do another line around there. So there's just pretty much 4 wee lines. Have 3 wee lines around it, get you 4 rows of bricks. Just join them up. Doesn't have to be perfect, like I said. It's better if it's not perfect, to be honest, because it's a wee mystical house. There we go. And then put the bottom line on where you're going to cut the door off. So this line's getting cut. And just use a wee saw. Cut this off straight. And you'll have yourself a nice wee house. Okay guys, so now you got this. Do your line, your down lines, but intermit them. So do the down line here and the down line at the top. And then come over like the weight of a brick would be. Say we'll go past the mat. So do a big wide brick and then a big wide brick. And come back round. So you only need 1 more brick in the middle. Say about here. And then all you gotta do is go in between them ones. So the ones at the door, in between these 2 should be a line down. and line up. And in between these two, this one and this one. This one, this one's for the line down. There we go. That's pretty much it, guys. That's your bricks marked then. Right, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on this bar, this diamond tip bar, as you can see. And that's what I'm going to use now to cut these wee lines in for the bricks. So change the bar over here, guys. Okay, now I run the 15,000. It's good for these for cutting. So you set your Dremel about 15,000 is brilliant for these, just for doing the cuts. And we'll cut the door frame in. So here we go, guys, keep at it. Down there. So there we go, guys, that's what we're at now. What we'll do is now just run over all that with a wee sander. I just use the wee flap sanders, these here. Just use anything, just sand this up. Don't need to sand down the bottom. And almost done there now, guys. Put the wee sander on, keep it going. So there we go. This is what we have now, guys. That's your own little whimsical house. And it's been sanded up now. What we'll do now is I'm going to cut it off before we oil it. We'll just oil it at the end. So we'll cut it off now. And I'll show you how to finish it up here. If you want, we'll paint the door red, paint the window, and that's it all good. And that's just oil on it. Just stick whatever oil you want onto it. And if you want, give it a wee sandpaper at the end. That's all good, but that is how you do a little whimsical house, guys. So we're going to cut this off now. Just straight with a saw. Just straight off here. Make sure you cut it level with the bottom of the door. A nice straight line down there. And then we should have yourselves a little house like this. So let's get her cut now, guys. I'll be back in a wee second. Okay, guys. As you can see, that is the wee house that we were copying. And this is the house we just done. I'm going to show you now how you can do this here. Just simply need 2 wee Sharpies. And we're good to go. So keep her going. Just go around your window. Just around the window frame. With your black Sharpie. There we go. Just grab yourself a wee red one. Any colour you want. I think red looks nice on the door. There you go. Don't forget to sign your pieces, guys. And you can see there now, starting to take shape. What we've got to do now is mineral oil or just spray clear lacquer on it, whatever one you want. And you'll have yourself a little house. So we'll run out and stick some oil on this here. Give that about 5 minutes to dry in, like, and obviously you can do it more neater than that. That was just a wee example for you. You can just use a marker, guys, and let that dry in, spray it, or else just put oil on it, and you're good to go. So we're gonna get it oiled up, and then that's us done, basically, guys. All good. Very simple. Nice wee gift. You can just give it to anyone. Don't forget, sign your pieces, guys. Hope you all enjoyed that wee video, guys. Like I say, maybe carve these ones next. Show you how you can make the wee smaller houses. But that was today's video. It's how to carve a little whimsical house that you can give as a gift. That's free, quick carve, it's easy carve. Like I say, you don't even need the paint or nothing to do it. The paint's helpful, like, but it's not needed. You just use a Sharpie pen. Just give it a wee bit of time, and you can always stain that up and then buff the stain off. So it's all good, guys. These are all keeping well, staying creative. And I say again, thanks very much to everybody for all the comments, guys. Really appreciate it. And anyone that's new to the channel, welcome to the show. So there we go, guys. That was today's little carve. How to do yourself a little whimsical house. And then in the future, we'll try and carve these little ones. And here you go. All you need is a stick. That was carved just using a Kutzall. A little diamond burr. And here we go, guys. So, see you all in the next video. Take care.